What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how I built these 3 shelves completely out of plywood. Alright, let's be real here. Floating shelves are the Cadillacs of shelving. They immediately take your space to the next level, and they're way easier to make than you think. So, let me show you how I made them. I started off by ripping down some radiated pine 3/4 inch plywood into 8-inch strips. Then I could measure and make the cross cuts at 40 inches. I cut 6 40 by 8-inch boards. One shelf will be 2 of these boards glued together. I used Gorilla wood glue and spread it out to ensure the 2 boards will have a good bond. Then, took a bunch of squeeze clamps to hold the 2 boards together.
Do you know these squeeze clamps are only 99 cents at Home Depot?
Anyways, I then sanded each shelf up to 180 grit with my random orbit sander. I didn't round the edges over because I really like the crisp, sharp contours of those straight lines. I figured out where I wanted to put the shelves in my room and did some layout prior to drilling a bunch of holes in my wall. I bought the mounting brackets off Amazon. I'll leave a link to those down in the description. They're a cheaper alternative to many others I've seen, and they're very easy to install. I pre-drilled all the holes for the screws and used drywall anchors where I would not directly be screwing into the studs. I had to core out a 1/2 inch hole so that the boards would slide directly into the mounted brackets on the wall. I used a piece of tape as a depth gauge to make sure I wasn't going to screw through to the other side. Once I had them all cored out, I finished them with Simple Finish by Maker Brand, along the edges and on the top. And on the bottom sides, I did some cool geometric patterns and designs to match my bed. After they were on and level, all I had left was to fill them up and I was done. I had a ton of fun with this project, and it was a super easy build with very limited tools. I used my table saw to rip the boards, however, I could have used my skill saw just as well. I hope you enjoyed learning how to build the modern day Cadillacs of the shelving world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of that tall guy content. See you next time.